Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Udol online classes. So in previous class we discussed about the table they are given in page number 91. So in that table what we got to know different properties of the square numbers based on the unit place numbers unit place numbers, how the square number changes. So based on that only in page number 91 again they are given some other tables, so we'll see it today. What they have given below table 1, again they have given one table in page number 91. So here square number and number. So one number 1 is square number 1. 1 square means 1 into 1. What you will get? 1 square number. Like that only. When number 9 square number is 9 square means 9 into 9. What you will get? 81. So now again they have given 11. 11 means 11 square. 11 into 11. What you will get? 121. And next they have given 19. 19 means square of 19 means 19 into 19. What you will get? 361. Like that only. Next 21 square. 21 square means what you will get? 441. This is the table they have given. So now by observing this, what we can know here, this is the list of numbers and square numbers. So here square number is ending with 1 or at the unit place or ones place of the square number 1 is there. When the number is ending with 1 or 9, here it is 1 and here it is 9, here at the unit place it is 1 and again it is 9 here and again 1. So we can say that now when at the unit place of any number, when at the unit place or ones place of any number 1 or 9, 1 or 9, here it is 1 9 1 9 1, when 1 or 9 is there, then square number always ends with 1. Yes, here square number ending with 1. So at the units place 1 is there. So now they are given some problems to try. Try this. 123 square, 77 square, 82 square, 161 square, 109 square. Here I will write 123 square, 77 square, 82 square, 161 square, 109 square. Which of these values would end with digit 1? Which of these values end with digit 1? So just now we discussed that always when one number's unit place ending with 1 or 9, that square value ends with 1. Therefore here it is 3. So here it will not end with 1. Okay. So again here it is 7. It will not end with 1. 2. It will not end with 1. Where in square number? In square number it will not end with 1. But here it is 161. 161 square means the square value ends with 1 only. You can check that. So here, if you check 161 square, 161 into 161, what you will get? Try to check that. Here I will write it directly. 161 into 161 means 25,921. 25,921 means it ends with 1. Like this only 109 square. So here we discussed that when one number's unit place is ending with 1, here it is 9, here it is 9. When at the unit place 9 is there, always square number ends with 1. So again in 109 at the unit place 9 is there, so square number ends with 1. You can check this 109 into 109. So at the square value it will end with 1 only. Okay. So now again they have given another table here. Let us consider square number ending with 6. Now we consider square number ending with digit 1. Square number ending with digit 1. When square number ends with digit 1? When in any number at the unit place 1 or 9 is there, or at the ones place 1 or 9 is there, square number always ends with 1. So now again they have given one table here. So here in page number 91 only, let us consider square number ending with 6. The first one is 16. 16 is square value of 4, because 4 into 4 what we will get? 16. Next 6. 6 means 6 into 6 36. Next one 14. 14 square means what you will get? 196. Next 16. Again 16 means it is 256. So square number ending with 6. When square number ends with 6? When in any number at the units place or ones place 4 or 6 is there. Here it is 4, it is 6 now. Here it is 4 and here it is 6. When in any number at the units place 4 or 6 is there, always square number ends with 6. So here again they are given some problems to try. Which of these following numbers would have digit 6 at the unit place? They are given here. 19 square, 24 square, 26 square. They are given totally 5, but here I will solve only 3. Try to solve remaining 2. So here 19 square means at the unit place it is ending with 9. 9 means just now we discussed when at the unit place it ends with 9, always square number ends with 1. Before this table only we discussed that when at the unit place 1 is there, always square number ends with 1. But here they are asking which of the following numbers would have digit 6? They are asking 6 at the unit place. So here it will not, here this square number will not end with 6. Here it is 24 square. At the unit place 4 is there, means if it is 4, always square number ends with 6. Therefore it ends with 6. Again here they are given 26 square, means at the units place 6 is there. When 4 or 6 is there at the units place of the any number, then square number ends with 6 only. So this is also ends with, this number also ends with square, sorry, 6 only. When we consider square of 26, it ends with 6. So now, after this, the next page means page number 92. They have given some more numbers and square numbers of those numbers. What they have given here? 10 square and 20 square and 80 square. Here we have only one zero. So 10 square means what we will get here? 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. Like this only. 20 square means 20 into 20, 400. And 80 square means 6400. So now you can observe that here only one zero is there. Here only one zero is there, but here at the square number two zeros are there. Two zeros. When one zero is there, we got two zeros. Like this only below that they have given numbers with two zeros. Here 100 square, 200 square, 700 square, 900 square. So here 100 square means what we will get? 1, and here they have got 2 zeros means here it will be 4 zero, means 10,000, and here 4 and here it is 2 zero means you should write 4 zero again here, and here it is 7 means first it will be 49 and after this 4 zero, and here it is 900 means 81 and 40. So here you can observe that when in any number only one zero is there, then there will be two zeros in square number. Here in these examples only one zero is there at the unit place, but here we got two zeros in the square number. Like this only, here two zeros are there, but here in square number how many zeros we got? Four zeros. So now again you can observe another thing here. You can write directly square number by observing this here. 1 means 1 square means you should write first 1, and if it is 1 0 here, you should write 2 0. Like this only. Here it is 20 means first we should write square value of 2. 2 square means what you will get? 4, and square value of 0 is 2 zeros. So 400. Like this only. 80 square means first you should write square value of 8 means 8 into 8 what you will get? 64, and if it is 1 0 here, you should write 2 zeros. Here also you can observe here 100 square. First we should write square value of 1. What is that? 1 only, and here they are given 2 zeros means at the square number there will be 4 zeros. Like that only here only 2 zeros and 2 they have given. 2 square means first you will get 4, and they have given 2 zeros means you should write 4 zeros. Like this only. Square of 7, that is that 49, and they have given 2 zeros, so you will get 4 zeros in square number. And 9, square of 9 is 81. 9 into 9 what you will get? 81, and they have given 2 zeros means here you will get 4 zeros. So below this they have given some problems to solve in try this box. Here they have given that the square of which of the following numbers, the square of the which of the following numbers would be an odd number or an even number. So we have to tell square number of the number they have given would be an odd number or an even number, and why it is odd number and even number we have to mention that. So here they have given in first question 727. So we have to tell that this square value of 727, this square value of 727 is even or odd. We have to tell that. So here you should write square, you should write here. Square value of 727 is odd. Square value of 727 is odd. Why? Because below that we should mention reason also. Because we know that always square value of any odd number, square value of, listen carefully, square value of any odd number, this is odd number only, 727 means this is odd number, therefore square value of any odd number will be odd number only, therefore this 727 is odd number. You can observe in table they have given in page number 91, which we have discussed in previous class only. We discussed from 1 to 20 numbers and their square values. We discussed this in previous class, so you can observe this now. So in page number 91 they have given this. Where odd numbers are there, square values also it is odd. For example, consider 3 means square value is 9, which is odd number only. Again consider 7, odd number, sorry, square number is 49. 7 is also odd number and 49 is also odd number only. Again consider 9, square number is 81, means 9 is also odd number and here 81 is also odd number. So we got to know that, what we got to know, when we consider square value of the any odd number, when we consider any value of the square value of the any odd number, that value will be odd number only. Therefore here you should write here, if it is 727, what we will get, square value of 727 is odd number below this, because square value of any odd number is odd number only. Okay, like this only. Second one they have given 158. Here 158 means it is even number. So what you will get here? Here number of 158 is even number. Below this you can write now, square number of or square value of any even number is even number only. Okay, and below this in second question there are 4 problems. So now I discussed first 2 and again they have given 2 more problems, 269 which is odd number and 1980 which is even number. So you can write square value of whether it is odd number or even number by observing the given number. And now in this section only, in second main question, what again? What will be the number of zeros in the square of the following numbers? So we have to mention number of zeros in the square number of the following numbers. They are given some numbers, like first they are given 60. We have to mention number of zeros in square number of 60. How many numbers will be 0? How many number of zeros will be there? Here it is 1 means there will be two zeros in square number. Okay, like this only. Again, in second question they are given 400. 400. How many zeros will be there in square number? Here it is, if it is 2, in square number we will get 4 zeros. 4 zeros will be there in square number. So, and here we can directly write square number also, because here it is 6 means square number is 36, and if it is 1 0 here, you can write 2 0. 3600 is the square value of 60. Again, like this only, here it is 400. They have given two zeros here. Then 4 zeros will be there in square number, and square of 4 is 16. 4 into 4, 16. So this is the square value of 400. So I hope you are clear with this concept of squares and square roots what we discussed today. The square numbers ending with digit 1. When the square number ends with digit 1, when the number ends with 1 or 9, always square number ends with 1. And again after that we discussed about square number ending with 6. When square number ends with 6, when the number ends with 4 or 6, always square number ends with 6. After that we discussed about this, means they have given here 1 0 and 2 0, and they have given square values. Okay, next class I will continue with some more examples or introduction part of squares and square roots. Thank you all.